Hello friends, if you're part of the family, welcome back. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is super special because I shared with you guys on social media that today we're going to announce something big. We're gonna have a big announcement, and so I'm super excited to introduce to you guys a new product that we're going to launch in my Simple Faith tees. So if you're new here, I put a link below in the description box of my Etsy shop. So I have an Etsy shop where I sell t-shirts that I have designed, like this one here that I'm wearing. This was like a minty green soft tee where it says His mercy is more. Let me see if I can show you. And here it says this one. My sins, they are many, His mercy is more. And there's a ton more shirts that are available there in my shop. I also have some sweaters and a hoodie in there for you guys to check out. And there's gonna be future things coming up in the near future, so stay tuned. But this video is super special because we are launching our youth and also toddler t-shirts. Okay, so I had this company actually a few years ago. I opened it up, I released it, and the name was Luna Tees, and that stood for, Luna was like Lucia, Luke, and Na was for Nathan, my kids, Luna Tees. And in that collection I launched one for kids, and it did well, but this time around, I don't know why it took me so long to wait to release official youth and toddler t-shirts, but the day has come. So looking at all of my shirts, there are a few that I have done for my kids. I have modified the design and the size and had them pick whatever color they want as far as t-shirts, and I have done those personalized t-shirts for them. But I was thinking through which one was it that I really wanted to officially launch to you guys and to my followers. And the one that I absolutely love is the one that says Imago Dei. That one was the very first shirt that I knew I wanted to release this time around when I launched my t-shirts with the name Simple Faith. And initially I was like, well, what shirt should I do? And that was my very first inspiration. That was like my very first design that I wanted to launch to you guys. And then from there, other designs kind of, you know, came to me, and I got inspired and creative and just started designing a whole bunch. But that one specifically is very special because it reminds us that we are made in the image of God. We are all image bearers. Everyone, you know, us that are Christians and people that are not either. Why? Because God created us all. So we are all creatures of Him, and we are made in His image. We see that, you know, specifically in the book of Genesis, when the Lord made Adam, and He made him in His image, right? And we are all descendants of Adam and Eve, so we are all made in God's image. So that name, Imago Dei, that's what that means. Imago means image, Dei means God, in the image of God. So I decided to go ahead and make a shirt for my daughter. She is the model, all right, and she's actually here today, and she's going to show you guys how the shirt looks like and do a little modeling for you guys. So here we go. Without further ado, come and see us. So here is the shirt, okay. We'll go up a little bit, mommy. Okay, so it says Imago Dei, right, in black, and we decided to do a gray shirt. I feel like gray goes, anybody can wear gray. I feel like gray is just a very universal color. Yes, we have black and white, which I love, but I love the gray because it can go with anything. She can wear, as a girl, she can wear like a pink bow and it goes. If it's boys, you could just rock it how it is. Lucia sometimes rolls up the sleeve. Here, Lucia, to make it a little nicer, a little more girly, right? And I'm going to show you a picture now that we took yesterday, showing you what it looks like lengthwise and all that. So I'll include this picture now. All right, so as far as sizing, we are going to have both toddler and youth available, okay? So Lucia, how old are you?
9.
So she's 9. And in the girls' clothes, she usually is a medium, but these shirts run a little large. So especially the youth ones. The youth ones are the ones who run a little large. So she's wearing a size small right now. And you could just see kind of, you know, it's loose. With kids, I love because even if they are a little on the big side, they're gonna grow into them, so I don't really mind. I usually, if I'm gonna get a nice shirt like this for them, I don't mind going up one size because that way they can wear it longer. But she's wearing a size small, and the sizes available for the youth are gonna be extra small all the way to extra large. Now the measurements for all those shirts are included in my website, in the Etsy shop. If you go and you click on this shirt and you keep scrolling through the pictures, I have included a measurement chart in there, I can't talk, where it shows you the measurements so you guys are able to pick the appropriate one for your child. Okay, so we're gonna have it, like I said, in the youth, and we're also gonna have it available in toddler. Okay, and the sizes there are going to be 2T all the way to, I believe, 5T. Okay, and yeah, like my little guy, he's 4 years old. I think he might be a 5T. So yeah, so they're gonna be available in the gray, both in the youth and in the toddler. On top of all that, I'm also gonna make this available in black, okay? So the black shirt is going to be black, but with the white Imago Dei letters coming across. If you follow me on Instagram, you're gonna see that I posted a picture of my niece, of Charlotte. I made her a shirt. Actually, I made the shirt for her brother because my sister is pregnant and her brother's name is Theo. So I made him the shirt, and the smallest I could get it was a 2T. He's like not even born yet, okay? He's still in utero, he's still in the belly. But we made a baby shower for her, and we made him a black shirt with the white words that said Imago Dei. So my sister saw it and she was like, I think this fits Charlotte right now. So she actually put it on my niece Charlotte, and she looks so cute. So I posted that picture on Instagram. And so for that reason, I'm also gonna make it available in black, okay? So gray with the black letters, and then we're also gonna have it in a black shirt with the white letters. All the options are gonna be there available in my Etsy shop for you to, when you make your purchase, just click on the color and the size that you want. And then I'm gonna include a little picture of my niece in there, and also in here so you guys can check out what the white and the black look like. So yeah, so go to my Etsy shop, and there you're going to see the prices, all right? These are all made to order. And just so you guys know, I am able to do this in an array of colors, okay? I didn't want to overwhelm all the options there on my Etsy shop, but in all honesty, if you guys want a pink shirt, if you guys want a yellow shirt, a blue shirt, just private message me and I can totally do a custom listing for you. So you guys can do a black shirt with black letters, or a pink shirt with white letters or black letters. You guys will have that option. I can totally customize it. Just message me or email me and I can totally do it for you. Okay? Well, thank you so much, Sia. This is the big announcement. Again, check it out even if you don't have kids, because we also have unisex t-shirts for the whole family. So super excited. All right, guys, stay tuned for a few messages from myself. Love you all, and I will see you on my next video. Bye. Hello friends, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos. I put a lot of time and effort in filming these videos and uploading them and editing them for you guys, so it means the world that you guys are taking the time to watch them. So first of all, thank you so much. There's a few things that I want to share with you guys. They won't take long at all, I promise. So number one is I accept prayer requests. So if there's anything that you want prayer over, if you have a family or a friend that needs prayer, if you're going through a situation, or for anyone that you know, go ahead and comment below, or you can go ahead and contact me by emailing me or through social media as well. And I will definitely be praying for you and for your situation. Number two, if you are on social media, you should totally be following me, specifically Instagram and Facebook. I post a lot more content there, specifically on Instagram. I post pictures of my family, of trips, of what I do during the day, recipes, outfits, just a lot more content there, and I have so much fun with it. So if you are on social media, go ahead and follow me over there. Number 3, I have an Etsy shop where I design graphic t-shirts. In the future, I'm thinking of maybe adding a few more items on there, but go ahead and check it out. They are comfy t-shirts, mostly faith-based, tons of different colors, and I love t-shirts. I live in t-shirts and I love designing them. So I've made this shop available for you guys to purchase some really cool and comfy t-shirts that I have designed. So go ahead and check it out. The link to my Etsy shop will be below. And number 4, last but certainly not least, if you are not part of this family yet, consider subscribing. We have so much fun here. I do my best to upload 3 days a week. I upload Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Mondays and Wednesdays is mostly Bible related. I do Bible studies and such, and we have fun in those days because we dive into the Word of God and we learn. And Fridays is mostly for my girls out there. I do a lot of makeup hauls, makeup reviews, get ready with me, makeup tutorials. I also do recipes. I do so many things just about my life, and like I said, we have tons of fun on Fridays as well. So if you want to join us, if you feel like that's something that you would love to be a part of, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I upload a new video. See, that was short and sweet, right? Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you all, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.